Hello students, I will teach naming the baby English part 2 for standard 7. I already explained up to third paragraph. Let's revise once more, see the short description and see the summary. Ashok and Ashima's baby boy is born in the morning. They want to wait to name him until a letter arrives from Ashima's grandmother with two names options, one for a boy and one for a girl. It is the Bengali tradition to have a respected elder choose the name of a child. Though the letter was sent a month ago, it is not yet arrived. But they are happy to wait. After all, they both know infant child need to be fed and blessed only. Ashima's and Ashok can cite means proof, example of their cousins who were not officially named until they were registered at 6 or 7 in school. The Nandis and Dr. Gupta also understood the problem and said that they can wait for name until it reached from Kolkata. In the meantime, they can use a pet name. Pet name means Daknam, which the name that every Bengali is called within their family. Pet name, a reminder that life is not always so formal, so complicated. Ashima's pet name is Monu and Ashok's pet name is Mithu. Every pet name is paired with good name. Good name means that is Bhalo Naam, means good name which is appear on envelopes, on diplomas, in telephone directories and all other public places. Good names carries dignity and enlightenment. Enlightenment means give greater knowledge. Here Ashima's means one who is limitless and Ashok means without sorrow. The pet names are frequently meaningless and silly. When the baby expresses emotions and wrinkle means slight fold, his face for attention and regard, Mr. Nandi lean over and calls the baby one of this pet name, that is Buro. Buro means the Bengali word old man. What's his name? Buro. Patty. Patty is a nurse, one who inquires what name they are calling Buro and inquires whether they have chosen this name for the baby. No, Ashima said that no, we haven't chosen, that her grandmother will be choosing the real name. Then Patty asked that will she be here soon? Then Ashima said no, it is not possible because she is very old and she is not able to walk. That evening Ashok goes home and checked whether letter came or not. But letter yet not arrived yet. And fourth day, Ashima and Ashok get a good news that mother and child are to discharge from the hospital. But they also get one bad news that the child has to name before they leave the hospital because the birth certificate issued by the hospital has to carry baby's name. Then Mr. Wilcox suggested that couple name the baby after themselves or their ancestor. Ancestor means forefather, like the king of France or England. But this was not acceptable to Ashok and Ashima. This is practice would be ridiculed. Ridicule means a action that makes someone or something look very stupid. So they have not agreed for the name. In Bengali tradition, it is not acceptable because according to their culture, individual names are sacred and it is not a inviolable. Inviolable means never to be broken and sacred means connected to God. So names were never supposed to be inherited or shared. So up to here I explained the summary. You read up to here and related question find from the story and find the hard words and make sentence. Thank you.